and welcome back to our science class. Our lesson is heredity and evolution, right? We have already discussed about heredity topic in our last class, and today we are going to talk about the lesson that is evolution. Evolution is nothing but change in the differentiation of the organism as they evolve into the new generation, right? If you see the human beings in the ancient days, see their height is around 6 feet, and now it is about 8 feet high. The human beings are about 8 feet high in the ancient days, and later on it is decreased to 6 feet. So here the organism is having some variations in its DNA, right? These variations occur due to the evolution, that is called evolution. Changes in the variations of an organism from one generation to the other generation or for some long period gap, that is called evolution, right? So here they have given 3 types of evolutions which occur by different organisms based on different situations. So we will soon get into that topic, that is activity 5 in your book, that is 179 page. So here you can see some crows, some bugs which are red, green and blue. You might be thinking, what is this bug, what is this crow, and some elephant foot is there, right? So I'll clearly tell you that. Wait a minute, right? Excuse me, right? So here in the situation 1, when you look into the situation 1, see there are about red bugs or bees. Bug is nothing but it's a kind of insect, right? So here there are red bees and they undergo changes due to the sexual reproduction, that is due to crossing over of alleles, and we get see here there are about so many red bees, red, all are red bees only, right? Only red color unnai, and in the next generation due to the variations we get red, we get some green bees even. Okay, so this is because of the variation. And later on, the next one. So here what happened? These bugs stay on the plant. They be staying, or they have their shelter places trees. So trees are mostly green in color, right? And these big bugs are red in color. Trees are green in color and the bugs are red in color. So here what happened? Crow, khaki. This crow, what they have done, they had a habit of eating these bugs. So on a green plant, if there are red bugs, they can easily identify them and they will eat away. So finally in the next generation you can see some red bugs, right? And the crow again comes, it starts again eating only the red bugs because only red is clearly visible on a green plant. As the green bugs are green in color completely, they are invisible. Avi chettu paina unnappudu they are invisible because the bug is green in color and the leaves are also in green in color, right? So when the crows see the plant and it has some red and green bugs, what it does? It usually point out the red bee and it will snatch it off, right? And the green bees survive, and in the next generation you can see only green bees survive in their generation. So here what can you understand? Because of some changes in the color. See here, because of the green color only this bug is saved here. So this is situation 1, right? Now we will go to situation 2. Here what happened? Here also you can see some bugs, right? These are also red in color. One is green, rest of them are red in color. So due to the crossing over we can get some green. So here you got the blue bug, blue. So in the next generation you get green, blue, some mixed colors, but most of them are red in color only. Only 1 or 2 are blue in color. So what happened? One day an elephant is walking in the garden. What? An elephant is walking in the garden. So it's suddenly what it has done? It has stamped on this tree where these bugs are living. Unfortunately, only red ones have been killed. Only red ones which are in one place. All the red ones are grouped in one place. Suddenly an elephant is walking in the garden. It has stamped on this plant and all the red bugs have been dead. So what comes in the next generation? Surely blue bugs come in the next generation, right? So here, because of the crow, because of another external predator, here we have got only green ones hovering at the end. And because of some external animal like elephant which has stamped on this plant, only we can see the blue remaining in the next generation. So here, because of the situations and because of the environment and because of the nature's magic or nature's work, here only different kind of bugs are surviving. And here we got some third situation, right? Let me explain you about the third situation. So here you have got the third situation. You can just turn your book and it's page number 181. Here you have got the third situation where only red, see this third situation, only red bugs are there. Red and all are red, right? These red are very big bugs. Big bugs, they are also on plants, right? Suddenly what happened? The plant on which these bugs are living got some infection. Got some plant virus attacked for that plant. So what happened? The plant leaves are being shrunken. Leaves chinnagayipoyayi. Actually what these bugs do on the plant, they feed on the leaves and they grow. Because of plant virus, because of the plant got infected with some plant virus, the plant started wrinkling off, shedding off its leaves. So the bugs usually don't get any food. So what happened? The size of the bugs decreased. See, the bugs became very small. What happens to the next generation? Next generation also we have got only the small ones. Why? Not just because of the parent generation is small, but because they are also not getting any nourishment from the plants. After some days, what happened? After some generations, the plant got its disease gone. The disease for the plant has been gone, and the plant is growing healthily with lots of leaves on it, green color leaves. Again, what can we expect? The bugs again got plenty of the nourishment from the leaves and they have grown in size. So here you can see some changes in the size of the bugs because of the infectious disease caused for the plant. These bugs doesn't get any nourishment to grow. So here you can just observe the difference in the size. But again, finally, when the plants are healthy, the bugs are again grown up. So these are the three different situations where you can understand that situations or the environment and the nature decides who to live. It gives a chance for some organisms to evolve. So here, from the three situations, you can just only understand that the organism which struggles for its existence, that is called struggle for its existence. Struggle for existence. Which fights for its life only can live on this planet, and rest of them will be went off in the ground, went off in the earth. So here it is called a struggle for existence. And here we have also got some acquired and inherited characters. Here acquired and inherited characters. Here acquired means what the beings acquire in the previous generation, that will be transferred to the next. That is acquired. Sorry. Acquired is a somatic cell transfer, and germ cell transfer is called as inherited. And this acquired and inherited topic we will discuss it in the next class. So today you have just understood how the evolution takes place, how the organisms retain their life because of the hurdles, because of the situations in the environment they face. This is accidentally happening conditions. So because of these conditions, what to be in the next generation and what not to be in the next generation, deciding factor is the environment, the nature, the situations and the conditions, right? Here, the size of the bug is changed, but the DNA doesn't change. The DNA remains the same. DNA is the same. Because external characters, the size only is decreased, shrunken, and again it is increased. But there is no change in its DNA. There is no change in its germ cell. The acquired and inherited we will learn in the next class in a clear, depth way. That's all for the day. This is about your introduction of evolution topic. Thank you.